What is emotional intimacy? It's more than romantic love. It can look different to different people, as we have our own versions of what is a personal relationship. Essentially, there will be a common thread. Hi, I'm Amanda, co-founder of Retune.Life, and we run workshops to help couples reconnect. So, what is emotional intimacy? Into me see. Doesn't get more personal than that, does it? Through Reciprocity, we build emotional intimacy, care and kindness, understanding each other, the connection between us, all of which are nurtured with open-hearted conversations. We are interested in each other and curious to know them as a whole person, the good, the bad, and all that's in between. When we feel deeply connected to our partners, we feel we can be the uncensored versions of ourselves and vulnerable, deepening our love. We are building emotional intimacy. We feel safe to share our inner world with our partner, share the parts of ourselves which we dare not with others. When we feel safe, we can express our darkest fears and worries. When we feel safe to explore more of ourselves, with their support, to follow our dreams. We feel safe to explore our desires on a sexual level, to be completely intimate. Trust between us exists. We can be vulnerable, which sounds like our truth and feels like our courage. We feel truly seen, heard, valued, and loved. They get me. It's the consistency of positive and supportive day-to-day interactions that keep emotional intimacy alive. Never underestimate the little things we do for each other that contribute to maintaining connection. Complacency is our undoing and damages emotional intimacy. Sure, life can get uncomfortable and messy. Man, we can become messy, maybe at times difficult too. However, our special person knows us, gets us. We really rely on them having our back when the wheels fall off. Expectations are made of each other, preferably spoken expectations, as unspoken expectations can lead to disappointment and setting our partners up for failure. For example, your wedding anniversary is coming up and you love to acknowledge your anniversary. However, you know your partner is terrible at remembering dates, so do you A. Wait 2 weeks to see if they remember, and when they don't, point the finger and remind them how useless they are at remembering important occasions. Or B. Say something like, you know it's our anniversary in a couple of weeks? Well, there's a new 5-star restaurant that's got some rave reviews. How about you book a table and we can celebrate there? Option A is set up for failure and lose-lose situation. Option B is set up for success. Win-win. It's vitally important to be aware that emotional intimacy is the foundation of which strong relationships are built and the fertile soil in which the seeds of our love are planted. Remember, we reap what we sow. In episode 3, I'll expand on this when I introduce you to the idea of the relationship field. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this helpful in understanding why emotional intimacy is the foundation of a happy, healthy, and strong relationship.